everyone, welcome again to Melvet's Table. Alright, today we will be making this very special sticky rice dumpling. We will be using this Chinese sausage, pork belly marinated. We will be using also some chicken. We will be using also shiitake mushroom, some beans, mung bean, of course, glutinous rice, and we have this chestnut. I boiled and removed the skin, and we will be using this bamboo leaves, and of course, this Thai. Alright, so first, we have to put some soy sauce and salt in our rice. Remember guys, the rice, the beans, the mushroom, and the mung bean will be soaked overnight, okay? So, we will be putting some soy sauce and some salt in our rice, okay? You have to drain it without water, okay? So, let's do this. Then I will add just a little bit of olive oil. So let's mix it. And then we will quick fry with our pork belly and the chicken. Okay guys, so we'll do the same with the chicken. Alright guys, we are now ready to assemble our sticky rice dumpling. I will cut the end, the hard part of the bamboo leaves, okay? So you just do this, fold, put it inside like this to make a cone. And then make sure that you fold it properly, okay? And hold it. Now, I'll be putting the rice, sticky rice. I already add some soy sauce and salt on my rice, and then I'll sprinkle just a little bit of mung bean on the side and a little bit of this black-eyed peas beans, and then I put pork in the middle like that, see? And then I'll put also this one. This is really good, and one mushroom, and then I'll add in the chestnut. Look, isn't that beautiful guys? Then I'll add another spoonful of sticky rice on the top to cover our dumpling. Okay guys, we're done with our dumpling. So I made a lot, alright? So in my wok here, I put some water and I put this one. Alright, then I'll put everything inside and we will boil this for about 2.5 hours. Alright, so I'll just put everything in and then we'll put more water later. So we will cover this and we will wait until it boils and we will lower the heat into medium. Okay, and make sure to check once in a while guys if there's still water in your wok or in your pot. You can use a big pot. Okay, alright, so I'm so excited. Later, see you. Alright guys, here it is, our sticky rice dumpling. I open it up for you to see how it looked like inside. Okay, to all my subscribers, thank you so much, and if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell. She'll always be updated every time I'll be posting a video in my channel. Alright guys, till next time, bye bye.